All right, we're making it out in Annapolis today, and that is due to my mistake in a way. Family and I just went on a vacation down to Ocean City, and I went out, filmed a whole day up to Brighton Dam, and completely deleted half the footage by accident because I wanted the SD cards to be ready for our vacation, and typically I always have two, so I swapped it out, and then right before we left I swapped it out again to the SD cards that had all the footage and deleted it all. So definitely worth it because obviously family memories are number one, but unfortunately don't have any of the footage that was supposed to be the video for today that you're watching this one. So we're gonna just make our way out, enjoy the day, fly the drone, have have ND filters on the Action 4 now, so playing with that. It's a super sunny day, as you can see, but we're just gonna be out and enjoy the nice weather. So, brought the drone. Downtown Annapolis may be flooded. We're gonna see, we're gonna make it down there, and I think we're actually gonna meet up with Bob too. So let's get up in the air and see what we can see. So for a day that I didn't expect to get out on the bobber, it has been super nice. Made it up to Annapolis. Didn't expect the boat show in Annapolis, nor all the games. I believe at the Naval Academy there's going to be a game later, so that's getting packed too. Also tried to stop at St. John's College, and there was a game going on in the field, so came here. It's always cool getting drone shots of places that you've grown up and you've just never seen it from that angle. So super psyched with that today. Gonna make my way home now. Gonna get this edited and out to you guys tomorrow. So kind of bummed that the other footage didn't work out, but today has been super nice for not expecting to get out. But yeah, if you guys have liked this video, give me a thumbs up. And if you guys have any questions, comments, concerns, leave them down below and I will get back to you. But I'm gonna go home and put some insurance on my drone because I've been flying around a lot of power cables today and over a lot of water. And I just realized that I need to have insurance on it because I don't want to destroy it and not have any coverage. But yeah, I'll see you guys in the next one.